If you own an office cleaning company and don't have any trouble marketing your business, just go ahead and skip this video. But if you own a cleaning company and need some fresh marketing ideas on how to generate more leads, stick around. Hey there, my name is Michael Brown. I'm the founder of Swept Software and former janitorial business owner. In this video, I'm going to share 8 ways to boost your marketing and generate more leads for your cleaning company. Now, I hear a lot of excuses from business owners as to why they don't grow. I'm not a marketer, I'm not good at sales, I'm not technical, so I can't use software to grow. Now, to be clear, I've said all these things myself at one point. We all do this. But remember, if you own a business, you're a leader. That's what you signed up for when you took on a client and your first employee. Now, there's something inside you that's different than the average person, and that's that you have the ability to take risk and overcome problems. So now that we're aligned and we're not making excuses for ourselves, let's look at how I, a non-marketing leader, help generate more leads for my cleaning company and how you can too. Number 1, set a goal. You have to start with the end in mind. What do you want to accomplish this year? Maybe it's by the month. You want to get 50 more leads a month. But once you know that, you can start to break down the activities that you need to make it a reality. You know, there's that quote, if you don't know where you're going, any road will get you there. And that's why step number 1 is setting a goal. Number 2, identify what's working, then double down on it. If you clean a dentist office and it's a great contract, you manage it well, you understand what matters to that client, that's a great indicator that you should find 5 more contracts just like that. So make a list of all the dentist offices in your area, cold call them, visit them, do what you need to do to get in the door. Number 3, leverage the great relationships that you've built. Ask for online reviews from happy customers. Ask for referrals. You can even write case studies on these happy customers and include it with your proposals. Number 4, have professional branding and a strong online presence. This is how you build trust when people look at your website or logo. They're learning about you. They're making assumptions. So if you don't know how to do this, ask other business owners in the community. Ask them, who built your website? It's not magic. They probably don't know how to do it themselves either. They found someone and they will refer that person to you. Number 5, form partnerships. Can you work with other businesses, maybe people who are renovating offices, agents who are selling or leasing office space? Give them a kickback so you get that client referral, and when they move into that office space, you're their cleaning company. Number 6, host an event for your community. Right now, people want to hear about what's happening in the cleaning industry. Maybe for the first time, people care about this industry. Take advantage of that. Add value to your community by sharing your knowledge. There are many ways that you can do this online, and it's a great way to build trust and generate leads. Number 7, build your network through volunteering. There's no better feeling than giving back to your community and at the same time meeting amazing people who genuinely want to help you grow. They want to see great things for you and you can help them as well. Number 8, run digital ads. Running Facebook or Google ads in your local market isn't overly expensive. And if you don't know how to do it, full disclosure, I don't know how to do it, just ask someone, ask other business owners. If you were to ask 5 people in your community who helps them with Facebook and Google ads, you're going to get a list of people who can help you at an affordable price. So to recap on how you can generate more leads for your cleaning business, number 1, set a goal. Number 2, identify what's working, then double down on it. Number 3, leverage the great relationships you've already built. Number 4, have professional branding and strong online presence. Number 5, form partnerships. Number 6, host an event for your community. Number 7, build your network through volunteering. And number 8, run digital ads in your local market. You don't have to be a marketer to do these things. If you really want to do something, you'll find a way, and if you don't, you'll find an excuse. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel to learn more ways to grow your revenue and become a better managed cleaning company.